Did you know your Samsung phone might not be showing its best display quality? One simple setting can make your screen look more colorful or more natural. Let me show you the best option in just 90 seconds. Hi everyone. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone, there's a hidden display setting that can completely change how your screen looks. Here's how to find it. First, open your Samsung Galaxy device settings. Then go to Display and tap Screen Mode. Here you'll see two options. Vivid gives you brighter colors, deeper contrast, and a more vibrant display. It's perfect for watching YouTube, gaming, and enjoying photos. Natural offers more realistic colors. If you do photo editing or simply prefer accurate color reproduction, this is the better choice. If you choose Vivid, you can also adjust the white balance slider. Move it toward cool for a bluish tone, or toward warm for a softer yellowish look. Pick whichever feels most comfortable for your eyes. For even more control, tap Advanced Settings to fine-tune the screen colors. I personally recommend Vivid because it makes Samsung's AMOLED display look amazing. But if you prefer true-to-life colors, natural is the way to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Samsung tips and hidden features. Thanks for watching.